But for those who really feel that their nerves are made of steel, just relax, sit back and get another load.
Well, here we go.
It.
Yeah, okay. Last thing I made, was it a bird? But I've learnt by some of my mistakes. Hopefully try and do it better. I've got some anti-weld spray, I don't know if it's actually called that, so I'm going to mask that off where I want to put the weld. Spray that over, so hopefully when I'm doing the welding the splats won't really stick to the rest of it, because I don't want to sand it down like the last one and lose any of the detail. Famous last words, it may happen again, but I'm going to try and, you know, not do that. Let's set to it. Well, this is the plan, and hopefully this camera won't keep going off. So, placed them all out. What I'm doing different from last time is I'm going to cover the bits where I want to weld as best as I can with a piece of cardboard. I know what you're thinking, it's going to catch fire. But no, it's just to cover where I want to weld. It says about there, and then I've got this. It's supposed to stop the weld sticking to the metal. To save me ruining the pattern, but we'll see, eh?
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning.
Anything that's overlapping, that's no problem, because I just get a grinding sanding disc and make it more curved.
Singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Saying, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning.
I'm sorry if I thought that it would change your mind, but I know that this time I have said too much, I've been too unkind. So I try to laugh about it, cover it all up with lies. Yeah, I try to laugh about it, hiding the tears in my eyes, because boys don't cry. Boys don't cry. I would break down at your feet and beg forgiveness, plead with you, but I know that it's too late and now there's nothing I can do. So I try to laugh about it, cover it all up with lies. Yeah, I try to laugh about it, hiding the tears in my eyes, because boys don't cry. Boys don't cry. I would tell you that I loved you if I thought that you would stay, but I know that it's too late and you've already gone away. Misjudged your limit, pushed you too far, took it for granted, thought that you needed me more. I would do most anything to get you back by my side, but I just keep on laughing and hiding the tears in my eyes, because boys don't
to see whether I've actually welded it. I presume I have. Bit of weld on that side, sadly. But you know, it can't be perfect, I suppose. Touch wood, just got a big spoon, one of the biggest ones I've got. On the last one I used 2 to make up the back body, but I've just flattened this down a bit on the anvil with a piece of material on top so I didn't scar it. So I'm hoping this will do the job. As for the front, one mistake I made with the other one, I'd set the wings behind and it's too late when I got them on. I would have had to wreck everything. So, again, an extra spoon, and it'll more or less cover those wing parts up, making them look like they're on the inside, which is what I want.